Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use the discussion board feature in Zoho Project, the full 2025 guide. First up, you need to access the discussion board, which requires you to log into your Zoho account. Now, on the main dashboard, look for and click on the Feeds button. This will take you to the discussion board. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're in the right place to begin our communication and collaboration with our team. Now that we've done that, let's start a new discussion. You'll find the plus or Add Post button on the top right corner of the discussion board. Click on it and a text box will appear. Type your discussion topic or question here. This is crucial because it will serve as the central point of our discussion, guiding the team's communication. After you've typed out your post, the next step is to add any attachments that might help in the discussion. Below the text box, you will find the Add Attachment button. Click on it and select the relevant files from your device. This helps us because it provides context and resources for the team, making the discussion more productive. Next up, you need to decide who should see this post. Below the attachment section, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Share With. You can choose to share the post with the entire team or select specific members. The reason we do this is to ensure the right people are involved in the discussion, enhancing efficiency and relevance. Finally, click Post. And voila, your discussion is now live on the board. Your team members can now view, comment, and engage with your post. This not only fosters team collaboration, but also creates a repository of knowledge that can be referenced in the future. So, in a nutshell, using the discussion board feature in Zoho Project is as simple as logging in, starting a new post, adding attachments, selecting who to share with, and hitting Post. It's a great way to facilitate team communication and collaboration. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, the discussion board is there to help you streamline your project discussions, so make the most of it. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.